rongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing out the hooker force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā ko nā whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira whakarongo pi kari mai. Hare mai, o Taringa hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody. Gather up close everybody. Kani move that body. Kani move that body.
E ngā iho o ngā maunga huri noa tēnei te mihi ake nau mai hoki mai anei ki te punua pāho o Taringa e whakapāho atu nei. O tira, i ngā take o enei maunga ōku o Pirongia, Te Arawa o Kahu o Kakepuku. E re atu nei ko nei ki maunga tautari ki whare puhunga ki ngongotaha. Ngongotaha ki whanakau. Whanakau ka titiro atu ki ngā maunga o te tai tokerau, ki manaia.
Kia ora.
Au, kanui tēnā. O tira ki ngā maunga katoa. Anei te maunga kōrero o te wā, anei ko Taringa. E mihi atu nei kia koutou nau mai hoki mai anei ki te punua pāho coming at you from the bustling metropolis of Te Awamutu.
Beep, beep.
Te Awamutu!
Coming at ya.
Ana, hoi anō, e kaiaku rangatira, kua rangatira a Taringa. Tuatahi i ngā manaaki mai a te māngai pāho, kōrua ko irirangi te motu, tēnā rawa atu kōrua, tēnā kōrua. Kua rangatira hoki i tēnei o aku tuahine, kua tai mai i tēnei rā, taihoa ka kōrero tia, hea hai, engari, tēnei te huri, te mihi ki a koe, kei te tuahine, kahurangi, nau mai hoki mai, ki te wānanga o Te Arawa, o tira ki te crew, o te punua pāho o Taringa kia mātou tokotoru ko Erika, ko te puaheiri ane mihi nei kia koe nau mai.
Tēnā, koe tēnā tātou.
Nau mai, hoki mai.
Ko hoki mai ki te whare o te wānanga o Te Arawa.
Koina.
Nei te mahana.
And how long, kua whia te roa?
Mutu au i hapua hau te tau 2012.
Wow.
I maharau, te wai ki mai koe, kei te hia mahi podcast au. Idea Nation koe ne.
Yeah.
Anei.
That's right.
Yes.
Tika i kōrero. Yeah, because i Te Arawa, kua timata ke tō hoa. Ki te mahi te hine. Me ngā mihi kia koe e tai, e mara, e kara, tēnā hoa.
Aotearoa Creative, tāna podcast, i taua kamatu i taua wane kāri i tino kaha tēnei mea, te podcast. Engari nau, i kaha ake ai tēnā nā reira.
Nāna hoki, nā tāna podcast i hihiri ake ai ōku mahara ki te whakatū i a Taringa. So I listened to him, I did, and I listened to some etai o nā punua pāho o tā wāhi. And then, i wānanga māua ko mokena, and here we are today.
Amazing.
257 episodes deep.
Rawe.
Deep honu. Engari e te tuahine tēnā, whakamōheotia, kia mōheo te iwi, no whea koe, ko wai koe.
Tēnā koe. Tēnā koutou e whakarongo mai ana, ko Kahurangi Maxwell tōku ingoa. Te Arawa, ngā tirangi wewehi me ngā te whakaue, ngā iwi ngā hapu, ngā te pūkaki te koromatua. No Ohine Matu, no ngā taha e rua o te rotorua nui a Kahu, no Ohine Matu, no te awahau. E mihi nei kia koutou. Tēnei kaupapa rangatira rawa atu o Taringa. Tēnā koe, taku tungane.
E mihi nei mātou tokotoru. Ahakoa. Engari, e te iwi, I Facebook message.
As you do.
Yes. And I said, pewhiana, te me, what's your number? And then there was a little bit of silence. And then I know there was the trepidation. Yeah. So I got thrown in my number. And ko te take, e te iwi, I wai atu ai au ki a Kahurangi. He tono I aia, kia manaaki I te tūranga, ka whakawātea hia e Erika mō tētahi wā. So, this show, with us all e rika ana, ki te kōrero. Nice, but kai ka pai nei. Yeah, like, Timothy began, how original.
I know.
Yeah. Engari, tēnā koe manaaki I te karanga, o tira ki te tautoko mai tā tātai kaupapa. And yes, e te iwi, kua tata whānau mai, ngā mahanga a Erika, hei roto I ngā wiki e rua pia. Ne, tino tatara wātu. Ne tuhine.
Hei te toru wiki.
Hei te toru wiki. Te kaumā whā, I think I heard you say, o te kaumārima te tikanga kua whānau mai.
Te kaumārima.
Ngā mahanga ne, reke.
Oh, wait. Wiki.
Yeah, so rua wiki.
Toru.
Yeah,
Oh,
toru.
yeah, there's 3 weeks to go.
Ana.
But because mahanga usually come early.
Yes, yes.
I'll be looking at around week 37, which
Nice.
is 15th of December.
Yes.
So you know, I tupu ake tā tātou tamāhine, I roto i te kaupapa.
Ai.
Tika.
And now, ko enei mahanga e haere mai nei. And, you know, Erica said to us, I think I'm going to have to take a little bit of a break and I don't know when I'm going to be back. But she is coming back. And I said to her this morning, you know, ko tō whakawāte i a koe mō tētahi wā.
Kia ora.
Engari kaua mo ake tonu ake.
Kia ora, Erica.
Well, kia aro pai koe ki tō ake mahi.
Oh, mahi.
Mahi
Yeah.
nui.
Mahi rangatira.
Ana. And, you know, I
I
think...
definitely want to come back. Yeah. But, yeah, from other mama that I've talked to that have had mahanga, they're like,
Full on.
the first 6 months was a blur. I don't remember anything.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, and you know, e whakaro anau ki etahi o ngā manuhiri kua tai mai ngā marama i ngā tau nei. We've had Dr. Naomi Simmons on recently. Tō tātou...
Dr. Ngahuia Murphy.
Dr. Ngahuia Murphy and others talking about the importance. E ne mōhio ke tātou. Engari, he mea tēnei hei tiaki, hei
Kia ora.
awhina i a
Kia
koe.
ora.
So, e mihi anau ki a kōrua, ka mutu he māma hoki koe, tutu ahine. So, e mōhio pai koe.
Marama. Ana.
Ka mutu i hihia, i tino hihia au ki tētahi pai nei te wairua.
Kia ora.
And kia mātou ko koe tēnā.
Ai.
Nā koe.
So, nau mai haere mai.
Ai.
And I don't want to say haere atu, Erica. Yeah. Engari, this is going to be her last episode for a while.
Ai.
And yeah, so ko tēnei hōtaka
67.
Yeah, ruarau,
267.
ono te kau mā whetu, mō. And we're going to have some fun.
Let's go.
Once upon a whana.
Okay.
So e te iwi, yes, we've got a few excerpts. Engari, ka tīmata ki tēnei, koe nei te mea ono te kau mā iwa. Is that right?
Oh,
And koe
toku
nei
wā
tana,
tuatahi.
yeah, koe nei tana
Noho
mea
mai tuatahi,
tuatahi. And Mokino was saying, actually, before we get into this, how did you start?
Well, I remember this moment very well. I was we were back at our old building down Rickett Road, sitting in my little tari next to the reception.
And you can smell kiwi
back.
pies.
And Paraone came in for a recording session, but Snowy, you were unavailable at the time.
Yeah.
And you were just sort of kicking it in the reception. And I was like, what are you up to? And you're like, oh, I've got no one to talk to. Do you want to come and have a kōrero? And I
Wow.
was like, okay.
Just like that.
Yeah.
And I think Mokino was also, Mokino had a kōrero too, as well, between then and...
Like in that little 5 minutes.
It probably wasn't even 5 minutes.
Hey, what are you doing today? I've got this and this. Oh, yeah, just come
Just
come
have a
for
yarn.
sit.
Yeah.
Koia.
Do you want to be my man? I was like,
Mea rawa ke kua.
okay, yeah. I
Tika.
don't know if I'll do much talking, but okay, I'll have a go.
And e te iwi, me koe e kara e whakarongo ana. You know, tēnei the manuhiri we had on this particular day was
Was
Mr.
the hardest.
Yes, was Mr. Hita. And you know, he's
mea
cool fella.
pakeke-
It's
pakeke
called
o ngā
te kōrero.
Oh, I know.
Hey, nana tērā whaka...
Throwback.
Yeah. Taking me back to memory lane. Yeah. Nana tērā whakatauaki.
Koia.
But he's a bit of a character. You are a character. He momo koe.
He momo koe.
He
Yeah,
momo.
I te tai rāwhiti he whanoke. Koira ke te kupu.
Ai,
Te
ai.
kupu nota.
Te aha.
Like for
Momo.
character. Like a nana kia.
E, nana kia, koroke.
Yeah, koroke. Yeah, there you go. Koroke ake nei. And this was Erica's first episode, and we were with Kuntin Hita.
Ai.
What
Yeah.
a first episode.
Kuia! Hoi no e te iwi, we got a little bit of an excerpt, so whakarongo mai, ane. Kiwaha. And we need a kiwaha.
Don't look at me.
No.
What does kiwa mean, sis?
Oh.
You explain it to me.
It's sort of like a colloquial saying. Is that how you the term
Oh,
for
I
it?
like the colloquial saying.
Is that a modern word or is it one of those words we've resurrected?
I have no idea. To be honest, I'm really bad at all the grammar stuff. But all I know is it's to me it's a fun way of saying something.
That's a cool way of saying. That's a cool definition. I'm going to put that I'm going to write that to a fun way of saying
You
something.
could say it the normal way, or you could say it as a kiwaha and it sounds funner.
Pai tērā.
Te oroko hanga o te kōrero.
Whana.
I was just like, meaning like at the time, because you know when you try and actually literally translate kiwaha and they don't mean
Yeah.
what the kiwaha
Yes.
actually mean.
Yes.
Absolutely.
And then, I just,
I puta noa.
So koe tā tātou kiwa I tēnei wā, whanawai.
Yeah.
Whana way. I
Engari
like
te
it.
koroke rā nei, it's like, say, is that, kei te moho ke
Ai,
te
kei
kiwaha.
te.
Ai.
Yeah.
He māminga nōna.
So what's
Nei.
one of your fun kiwaha? Kahurangi, hea te ona kiwaha you find yourself, awa.
Oh. God, you put me on the spot there a little bit.
Yeah, as I do.
Oh,
You know.
He do this to me.
You're never
Every
off
single
the spot.
episode.
You're never off the spot.
Yeah. E mea ana koe, pēr?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, he kimi noa tēnā hoi anō.
Yeah, e mea ana koe, that's a goodie.
That's
and
a
I
goodie.
find too, depends on ko ai te hunga, kei reira rau
Koia.
e kōrero ana
Yeah,
hana, kōrero ka
Ai.
puta mai.
Well, ētahi wā, ki au, mena kei te kōrero ki tētahi atu. Sometimes I'm thinking, if I say this, are you going to get me?
Yeah.
You're gonna
Yeah, yeah,
Because, tika tā Erika kōrero, sometimes it's not what you're saying. It's, he rerekē te. Yeah, so I have to think about
Yeah.
Yeah.
the
And I think,
audience.
you know,
Yeah, true.
E mea ana koe was in a massive rise a few years back. Took a bit of sabbatical, now it's coming back, eh?
Yes, tika taho.
Ki taku tirohanga nei. I'm like, yeah,
Your
no,
timeline.
Koe. Yeah, the timeline.
Tika
So
tēnā.
it's back in, seasonal.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So that was ono te kauma iwa,
Ai.
Mea tuatahi.
koina. Te mea tuatai I noho mai ai koe, Erika. And this is whiti te kau. So now we're going to add te puaheiri. And we're going to just, extend on that kōrero that we had about the kiwaha and your saying. Here we go. Whakarongo mai. Kiwaha. And how tā tātai kiwaha?
I don't want to say it.
Maro.
Yeah.
Ka ki maro.
See, I'm too stubborn.
Yes, it's just
Ka
for
ki
you.
maro.
And if you want a definition of kiwaha, according to Erika,
Oh, here we go.
what was your definition?
It's a funner way of saying something.
Yeah, it's a funner way of...
Whanawai.
Yeah,
WH.
Oh, I like that. A funner.
Whanawai.
of saying something. And then, if you listen to our, and a kōrero with Mr. Hito, and a definition of kiwaha is pretty new. So we could call this kianga o rerenga. And ka ki maro means to be stubborn, pig-headed, obstinate.
Ka ki maro.
Yeah.
I'm going to use that. I know someone that I can use that on.
Yeah.
Might or might not be my tani.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, there are some people that are just like always like that.
Always like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
But you got to give it to them though, that they
Yeah.
can be like that all the time.
Yeah. But then there's sometimes it's like, you don't have to be ka ki maro all the time.
It's just a cup.
Yeah.
You know, or it's just rain. You can't
Yeah.
stop the rain.
Yeah.
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 Whakamama to ka ki maro.
Yeah.
Whanana we. Whanana we. Whanana.
E rongo anau, maybe we should make some t-shirts. It's a whana way. Because it is, because it like,
Yeah. It's
I
a
get
kind of
it.
kick to
yeah,
it.
Yeah.
I'm giving a leg movement.
Yeah.
It's both fun and whana.
Yeah.
Whai.
Ana. Nō reire te iwi, I whakaaro rā mātou, we have patapatai. Ka te whera kia koutou, and actually we've got a lot of pātai that we are yet to have a wānanga about.
Kia ora.
But kei kone a kahurangi, and we can do that in some episodes kei mai te aroaro. Engari, tēnei rā, I te mea mau, tēnei rā, Erika.
Yay.
We're going-
My.
Ka tuku pātai mātou ki a koe. It can be about anything, tātou mā.
Okay.
But maue wāhi kahurangi.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You're not allowed to ask her, what have I getting myself into? Nā, kei a koe te tika mai.
Nā, i te ahua.
yeah.
Ngā whakaaro.
Kei a koe. Maue wāhi and then we'll ka whai mai. And we're just going to go with the wairua.
Okay.
Ooh, with the wairua.
Really on the hot spot today.
Yes, you are in the hot seat, eh? Anei taku pātai ki a koe. Kua roa hau e whakarongo ana ki a Taringa. Kamatuko koe te tahi. What I liked about this dynamic between you three is that you would often ask the questions that many would be, thinking about, and because these two probably just get a bit carried away, but you would like come in and ask different questions. But how have you found the journey for you in terms of your reo? Like how has this podcast, being a kai kōrero on here, but how has it helped with your growth in te reo Māori and where you are now being a mama and, te whāngai te reo ki ngā tamariki, ko pēhea tērā?
Cool. So that what you mentioned there about people asking the questions, people comment on this to me all the time.
Nice.
When I meet them or, people that I do know, which is so cool, but it's so funny to me because they're just genuinely things that I want to know.
Yes. Ka puta.
Yeah. Because like you said, sometimes they can get carried away and then they go off into this whole different tangent or level that I don't even know what they're talking about. And then I have to bring it back and be like, hold up.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Yeah.
But in terms of this journey and being on Taringa, it's been really cool because I feel like I'm getting these one-on-one cultural lessons.
Lovely.
Not only like in te reo, but expanding my worldview of te ao Māori. A lot of people do comment to me and say, oh, you're so lucky you get to have these conversations that we have no one to have these conversations with.
Tika.
And it's so true. Like even when I'm trying to just find out like hitori and info about things down home, down the coast, it's hard to find the right person to talk to. And so I'm really fortunate. Nōku te whiwhi that I get to be in here and get to speak to not only these two, but all of our manuhiri that we have on. We have some amazing people. I'm always learning stuff, and it's the cool thing about Taringa and, mai mai.
Nā, tika tau tūhine, we're like, all of us, we've got our own grammar tutor.
Yeah.
We've got our own iwi tutor when we get different kai kōrero.
Oh, man, the iwi o te wiki. I didn't even know there were that many iwi.
Yeah. And you're so right, because we'd speak at a certain understanding and you'd go, what's that? And they'd look at them like, that's actually a really good question.
No, that's right. Because you already know it, right? And then you've got someone say, and then it actually makes you probably think a little bit more about breaking it down.
Yeah,
or,
absolutely, And because so organically we've reflected the levels of the listeners.
Kia ora.
And that's koina te kōrero ka puta ngai taringa. They're like, you got some really good questions. I was thinking that and I don't know what they were on about because they have been left behind.
Yeah.
So talking about our manuhiri, who have been some of your favourite manuhiri that we've had?
Okay. Oh, man. One that springs to mind
Are you
right
not allowed
now.
to say Rawiri?
I was going to say Dale.
I was going to say Dale.
Dale's been,
Yeah.
Dale Wai?
Takitimu. Was Waitangi
our
special.
Waitangi special,
I think we all left that episode feeling really like...
I tautau ia I te ahi.
Ne.
The fire.
O he pera, ia ne.
Yeah, it was just what I needed at that time.
Nice.
Yeah.
And I mean, I've skimmed over the Treaty of Waitangi before and never understood it. And just the way she broke it down, I was just like, oh my God, how did I not interpret it that way?
Yeah.
So she was cool. Our episode we done on Toimoko with, what's his name?
Tamaho.
Yes, that was a cool
Oh,
one.
I like that episode. Yes.
Because it just expanded my mātauranga. I thought
Me oku.
that they were just after heads, but it's more than that. And it just totally blew my mind. Oh, I wasn't even on this episode, but one that I really enjoyed was the one of Te Kerera.
I
I just loved the way she explained everything about
Wahine a tāhua.
about Te Wharetoa. Man, there's so many that I just can't think of right now, but there's so many.
Nah, those are cool. Those are good ones too.
E whaiwhai anau I te pātai. Well, this isn't my pātai, engari. E mihi anau ki te pātai a Kahurangi. Tana ki kia koe, no te reo o te katoa. You've been the voice. And e tika, ko tāu e whakawhenua I a māua. That's going to be your job now.
Up to me.
But no tēnā reo o te katoa. And I've had that feedback from a lot of people. And the other thing too is, kapu I kōrero mai etahi that they were like, not only you, but Taringa has inspired them to have a yarn with their kaumātua.
Kia ora.
And their uncles and aunties.
Yeah.
We spend a lot of time with the old people we do have left. anyone older than you has got experiences that you haven't
true.
had.
Kia ora.
Yeah.
And, you know, whether that be in life and i te ao Māori. So, you know, talk to your aunties in the kitchen and your uncles and,
Yep.
and wherever. E ka puta mai etahi kōrero. And other thing too is it's gotten people to see that mātauranga Māori isn't something that's way off.
Or,
in
yeah,
Ngāra.
an unattainable
Tika.
gem at the
Tika.
top of a temple.
Yeah, like it's
koia.
everywhere. It's in our everyday lives.
Kia ora.
So, yeah, e tautoko anau i te pātai a Kahurangi me taku mihi kia koe.
Ai.
Taku pātai.
Okay.
So, and, you know, e whakaiti ana koe a koe because you've grown heaps.
Yeah.
You know, toru nā wā i kōrero Māori koe i te tīmatanga. And kāre koe maia ki te kōrero ki au. Engari
Oh,
kua,
still not.
yeah, engari kua maia ake koe.
Kua maia ake koe,
Like
yeah.
it's a really, and kua hānenea tono, like, and that's the other thing that I want to mihi to you. Like, people have heard that, hey, if you make a mistake, pai noe ho haere tonu.
Koina te wairua,
Yeah.
Yeah.
ko puta.
Ko taku pātai ki a koe,
Yeah.
hea o tau ki a
Ai,
Kahurangi.
tēnā. Hawhina mai.
Wow. Kahu just got added to our Tima Taringa chat the other day.
I left you guys on scene for a little while. Deliberately, pal. Nah.
Oh, I mute mine.
Wait,
I've
oh,
muted it.
okay.
I'm sure if she just goes back like even a couple of weeks, she'll see how hard it is to round everybody up.
Right. Yes. Okay.
So yeah, you just got to kind of take some of the recording dates with a grain of salt, like that. It might be happening or it might not be.
Yes. So this is a fluid.
Fluid.
Fluid,
Yeah,
journey.
just a wide
Wairoa
way, yeah.
Māori.
Ka rere mā te au. Mā te au i te wā. So it says 9 to 1.
But
I
we
clear my whole
all,
day.
hey.
Yeah,
Ko
we
tātou
all-
katoa.
Yeah, no.
There's structure e te iwi, apparently.
Yeah.
No, I've
Kei te
bitten,
moe koe ki ai.
I've bitten the apple. I've bitten the apple.
Yeah, and then on that same note, we have our big kaupapa list, our schedule.
All right.
Yep, so just be prepared that you might get here on the day and Paraoni's like, I'm not feeling it. And then we
I'm
do
not
something
surprised by
else.
that at all.
Yeah.
Those episodes always end up really cool though.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Because, we've literally gone with the wairua and gone with what we're actually feeling at the
Yes.
time.
Yes.
So that's cool. And yeah, I guess for you, I feel like you're going to take this to a whole new professional level.
Oh my God. The pressure.
No pressure.
Pressure.
Obviously, you've got way different mātauranga to me, so I think it's going to be cool. I'm going to be returning to being back to being a listener.
Yeah.
So hey, I don't listen to any of the episodes that I'm on.
Well, we welcome feedback. No.
So I'm looking forward to listening to you guys again and to you Kahurangi and hearing your input and just seeing what like this next level of mātauranga is going to be that's going to come out.
A ka whakaiau ki tērā, I runga i te whakaro. Ka hau mai koe ki roto i te ruma, ka hau mai nō ki nea te whānau apunui.
Te
Kia ora.
Kau,
Kia ora.
te nuinga o ngā kōrero ko akona e au, I runga anō I tō karanga ki o huanga, o whainga kia tai mai ki te,
Yeah.
you know, ki te
Tika.
whakaputa nei ngā kōrero. Koina hoki taku kaika nei ki ngā iwi ka mau mai nei ki roto I tēnei kaupapa. Yeah, koina
that's
taku
true.
whakaro. Yeah, so kia ora, tēnā koutou o Apanui.
Yeah. And, you know, he nui hoki nā tikanga moana.
Ai,
I
ai.
a koe i a koe.
Ai.
You know,
Ai.
because that's your...
Yeah.
Koina tō mātauranga.
Yeah.
Wahanga nui. Wahine moana koe.
Ai, koe
Wahine
hoki.
mahi kai.
Yeah.
So, e mihi ake ana. Okay, I've got a question from MC Grandma. Before we...
MC Grandma, you've got a
Kōwaia
question.
MC.
Yes, he's got a question for you, Erica.
Okay.
He goes, anei, whakamāramatia mai te heaha koe I haere ai, hea koe e haere nei, and hea koe e haere ai.
He's keeping it easy.
Yeah.
Does MC Grandma know that he's got a question?
Yeah.
Oh, ne.
Hey, mahi kainga mau, because going back to our complex particles
Ai, nei.
episodes.
Oh my God.
And he finishes off by saying, ero. Ero.
Ero.
Yeah, ero.
Ero.
Ki te kore koe te moho, tēnā
Tiro.
hoki whakamuri.
Ai.
Not sure which episode that one's on, but that's a cool kiwaha. That's a whana. That's a fun kiwaha.
Ana.
Okay, hang on. You're going to have to start that off
Te
again
mea tuatai,
slowly.
ai.
Okay, now let's go to the same. He aha koe e haere nei.
When did we do this one?
Is this what it's like every episode? You just throw people.
Oh, we were on the one the other week and I just rang up Puff.
haere
Hey,
nei.
what's okay, ati moti?
Oh, it's the middle
Oh,
of
yeah,
the
pai tērā.
Okay.
He's like, ai tēnā koe. We'll just let that one sit with.
Was I even there on that episode?
Yeah. 'cause I had to go
Maybe
back.
physically.
Let me look at my... so
Kei te
true,
pai
so
so
true,
hene,
so
e
true.
te pai e pai na
Pai.
sakina tēnā
Wait, let
pātai.
me look at my notes.
Okay.
Okay, we take notes.
Well, while you're looking at your notes, just kia mohi o koe te ki te horopaki o te excerpt e haere ake nei. We've got a screen in here I te pokapū o Taringa nei, and we're going to watch, now, us mātou toko whā, tētahi o ngā putanga o Taringa that we videoed. And we're going to post the video too on Whārangi Taringa, so you guys can see. And this one's cool. So, are you ready for this, Erica?
Oh, okay,
Hea o
hang on.
notes?
Okay.
Me whakarongo pi kari kari.
She was fooled by the ruse of Hatupatu. She continued on living, falling into the boiling waters of the Ngāwha.
Okay, blood curdling.
This is the crescendo.
Can you give me an example, Paroni? You're very good at these.
Oh, wow.
Like anger, rage,
We should use that one.
sad.
Okay.
You know, sad that Kiraru's dead. Angry she didn't get him. Pissed off that she got tricked. She knew better. Like all those emotions. Like
Okay.
This will get you into whānāpunui. Te kapahako o te whānāpunui.
kia mau Kahurangi.
Oh, my Oh,
my
ki konei putai te pātai. What am I getting myself into?
Does that play on the TV episode?
Yeah.
Does it?
Yeah, that's millions of people on those.
That's what you got to look forward to, Kahurangi.
Oh, exciting.
Moments like
So,
these.
Exciting.
Theatre.
Yeah.
We do theatre.
It's a minty moment.
Oh, man. Kei taumata ke atu tēnei. You know, you look so young in that too. Like, you know, kua tino.
That was a good 4 years ago. Hey?
That was there. Okay. Yeah.
That's crazy.
I thought you were talking to me, but looking at me.
Okay. Oh, you look so young there.
Oh, hika. That was cool. And ko tērā Once Upon a Time, so that was Once Upon a Time, Ep 111. Tahi rau kaumā tahi. So, hoki whakamuri e te iwi ki te whakarongo ki tēnā. And that was... Hey, Erica wrote that one.
Yeah, did you write that
No,
one?
I didn't write that one.
No, Tera. No,
Oh,
not Tera.
Nāku.
Yeah.
Oh, right,
Yeah,
right.
you wrote that one.
Hatu
Okay.
Patu.
Which one did you write? Putauaki.
Putauaki.
Oh, yeah.
Putauaki.
Oh,
That
kia ora.
story.
Love that song.
Yeah, so that was one of those moments e te whānau where, you know, you just...
That's just
Whana.
what this job involves.
Okay.
The
Yeah.
reluctance
Alright.
on your face, you're like, okay.
Yeah.
What's it like, you know, I literally had to count myself down.
Yeah.
I did my own
Yeah.
toru wha.
I'm impressed. Me te whānau.
Yeah.
But that's how we do our Once Upon a Timers, eh? As like just straight cold reads.
Yeah.
Cold read, straight bang into it.
And I'm always like having to be like, actually, the diction of this rerenga, how do I actually say it properly?
Kei reira koe whakaroana.
Ai,
No,
ai.
I literally have to ask them.
Oh, right.
Wai, te
Okay.
timatanga ka pānui no koe I te ngā kupu.
Kia ora.
Me rā wātu me whakauru koe I te ngā kare aroto.
Marawa.
Yeah, engari e te iwi, if you go back to like our real, you know, tuaititanga,
Yeah.
te taiohitanga pia o Taringa, I aia tonu I te kohanga, you know, Once Upon a Time has come a long way. we would
yes.
literally, pretty much like how Erica started. We go, right, we wrote a story and we wouldn't have enough people in the building, or we'd just like go, right, let's see who's at Rickett Road. And then go, right, bro, come in here, read this
Do
line.
this line.
Read this.
Okay.
I remember being on, I think it was like one of the Maui episodes, and we had to just like,
Whana.
stand around. There was a group of us standing around the microwave
Doing the
like,
voxes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, get used to that, Kahurangi.
Those were fun times.
Those are fun times, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, pai.
But the things we do, the show must go
The
on.
commitment is real.
The commitment is real.
Ai, he roa nei tērā.
Ana, it's a good, time for all of us to, hurita and reflect. Not only on your time, but, the growth of Taringa.
Ai.
And, me kore ake te katoa.
Koia,
Me kore
koia.
ake te katoa
Ai.
o tira koutou. So, another excerpt that we've got, it's not an excerpt, engari, koe nei te waiata, and ka noho tēnei he waiata mo te wiki nei. And this waiata, Erica, you featured in.
Yep.
And I know you've said to me you're not much of a singer, but you sound cool in this waiata.
But the best part
They
is
must
we've
have
taken...
photoshopped my voice.
No, we've taken the auto-tune out. So
And anei te waiata, nā hirini Melbourne tēnei waiata, te pūtorino. Whakarongo mai.
Te pūtorino rauka tauri. Piri, piri, runa whekae. Kei roto o te puhi o te tangi. Koro whita whita e. Te tangi hotu hotu moke moke. O te tau tuarerene. O te tau
Oh.
Mo te tau e rere nei. Mo
Ai,
te tau
kia
e rere nei. Waiti ake nei.
Ai, kia reka mai
Yeah.
hoki.
Ai.
And ka pupu ngā kare aro.
Kia
Ai,
ora.
First time I've listened to it.
Ne.
wai, i te waiata koe ano nei, waiata ki ana ki o Tamariki.
Ai, he rongo ana.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
tāhua.
that would be a good one, actually. We used to sing that a lot at my primary school. My teacher, Claudine Tiare, I think she was actually part of the recording on Hirini Melbourne's CDs. And so she used to teach us a lot of his songs.
Nice.
Classic.
Tika.
Ai.
Koe no gets timeless, eh? Tēnā waiata.
Ai, pono.
Well, e te tuhine, I think ka nui tēnā. And ko te pātai MC Grandma kia koe, he ha koe e haere nei, why are you going? Koina tana pātai. And I think kua whakautungia ketia.
But you know how he's got the nei?
Yeah.
Let's go there.
Ai.
Is he meaning like extra acknowledging me? Like, why am I only going? Is what I'm wondering. Why has he put nei in there?
Well, you know what? You're going to definitely have to come back.
Ai.
Because you are
Ai,
anyway.
Erica.
Engari, me ki whenei e haere nei koe me o mātou whakaaro
Ai.
nui, me o mātou whakaaro aroha, mou o tira ki ngā māhanga, me tō whānau, tō tāne, e mihi ana ki tō hoa.
Ai.
Nāna koe tautoko i enei tau, kia noho tonu mai koe ki Taringa, me tā tātou tamāhine, i tupu ake i roto i te kaupapa.
Ai, koe hoki. Mai nei.
Engari.
Tēnei kaupapa.
Ai, anei ngā māhanga tēnei te haere mai nei. Anō reira, ai, me manaaki koe. I a rāo o tira i a koe anō.
Tika.
So, e te tuhine, I'm going to throw it over to you to sign off, maybe give some reflections, and you can sign off for Taringa.
Well, I want to say how nice it is to be having my, not last episode, but my last episode before the hiatus. And to have you here, Kahurangi.
Tēnā koe wā.
This has been a lovely transition. I hope it has been for you. It reminds me of back at my intermediate school. So when we got chosen to be in this particular class at intermediate school before we even got there. And so when I was still a primary student, I remember going to the intermediate school and having a pōhiri. And that same night, we would have a poroporoaki for the Form 2s. They were the Form 2s who were leaving. And so this reminds me of that.
Yeah, hua pera.
Yeah. So lovely to have you here. You guys, wow. What can I say about you two? There's too much to say, but thank you for always putting up with me, I guess, and supporting me and helping me to grow. Yeah, and I'll be back sometime soon.
I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Anna.
Aye.
And as always, ngai taringa, so good to have you all following along with us, with me on my journey. And, I'm happy to be the one to take the hits for you guys. Getting thrown under the bus by these two and our manuhiri. So, someone's got to do it. And I've just happened to have been that person for nearly 200 episodes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Kupi whakamutu ngā kōrua?
Haere rungi ngā te au o tātou aroha. Kia te pupai ai a tātou mahanga, me tō tātou hoa. This is like, remember when Fresh Prince and then they changed the season and then the mum was new? And you're like,
Yes.
It was abrupt, and I'm just highlighting, koine, this is how you transition e te iwi,
Right.
So kaina taku whakawa.
Well, see, I a koe koro ana mo tērā tauira, I'm like, kei reira pia etahi, kai whakarongo. Koe tērā. Erika.
Because I'm like, that's not my auntie.
It was very,
Yeah, auntie,
Mama.
Hoino. Yeah. So, No mai, and haere me me te aroha, me ngā manaakitanga te wāhi ngaro.
Tēnā koe.
E mihi ana ki a koe hoa. Ko ki te ahau I a koe I roto I etahi atu āhuatanga. You're a very creative person, very talented in the mahi that you do, not just here, but, as a photographer, I've seen you in other spaces, and I just want to acknowledge the mahi that you do out there. In our industries, it's really important that we have people like you to showcase us in a beautiful way.
Tēnā koe.
So you do that, motu nei, but as well as you do in here, in the mahi that you've done with Taringa. And e tuku ana I ngā aroha ki a koe, ki tō whānau. You've got a big journey ahead of you. Being a mama is just such a beautiful and powerful role in life. And I know that twins is you'll have your hands full, but I'm sure, you'll do it well. And what you're doing here and setting yourself up ki te whāngai te reo ki ngā tamariki he mahi rangatira tērā, nā reira mihi ana ki a koe, and wishing you all the best, and you have to come back because I'm only here temporarily. E te iwi.
Keeping the seat warm.
Yeah, keeping it warm for you. He honore nui tēnei ki te noho ki tēnei turu kia hoki mai koe, nā reira. Ai. E aroha nui ana ki a koutou.
Tēnā koe.
Nā koe, tuhine. O tira e te iwi, ngai taringa, me kore ake koutou, e tū nei tēnei kaupapa. Pōwhiritia etahi o koutou hoa, o koutou huanga, whanaunga, kāre anō kia whakarongo mai, ane kia wānanga tahi tātou. Engari, tēnei te mihi ake kia koutou ki wī, ki wā, ki Guernsey, aha koa kei whea. Tēnā koutou katoa I o koutou Taringa. Hei ko nā mai rā I runga I ngā whakaaro nui kia Erika, e whakawātea nei tana tūranga mo tētahi wā, e whakakia ne kahurangi mo tētahi wā, I runga no hoki I ngā whakaaro nui ki tō tātai reo. Me a tātai tikanga, koe nei te pūtake o Taringa. E mihi ake nei, tēnā koutou, hei kona.
Hei kona!
Bit whakaronga, bit kari. Get the rope close, everybody, buddy. Taringa. Yeah, huri mai ki yo whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako Kōrero flowing at the hooker force Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds Kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount Nā ko nā whakapiri mai ki te Kaupapa tino whakahira hira Whakarongo pi kari kari mai Hare hare mai, o Taringa hare hare mai We gotta gather up close everybody Gather up close everybody Kani move that body Kani move that body
Taringa, he mea tuku nā te wānanga o Te Arawa, ā, nā te māngai pāho me irirangi te motu I tautoko. To listen to more episodes, search for us on your podcast app and subscribe, or follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Taringa, whakarongo mai.